I was not prepared for that.
I wasn't ready for that either. Oh my
god. Almost as high as Guavi. I love how natural it feels.
That was nice. Okay, I see why you don't like this. Because my neck is hitting it the whole time.
Yeah. I feel like I'm just past the height. To like, that's the thing. Like, it doesn't need the harness thing. I think it's there to make kids feel like safer. I don't think it's like it's not like a it's not like a safety thing really. That's fun though. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been in the front.